Good morning everybody and welcome back to Doncaster Motorcycles. It's Monday morning. It's still dark outside, a bit gloomy, a bit rainy, but it's the last week before we close for Christmas, and it's Christmas jumper week. I might even have a treat for you on Friday, something a bit extra special, but yes. So for the rest of the week, I'll be looking just as silly as everybody else you see around. Or should I say, more silly than normal. So Christmas jumper week, so we've got that sorted, lock security's in, lock security's in. We've got top dog security. Woo! So Bodie's in, right, okay, so what we got today? What have we got today? Simon's Tenerife. Right, that is in for a full service today, so that'll keep me tied up most of the day. As per usual lately, I've had a few full services on these this last week or so, and a lot of rebuilds. So anyway, so there's Simon's Tenerife, that with the valve clearances, coolant, spark plugs, air filter, brake fluids, oil filter, blah, 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 big list. So Andy's is still waiting patiently there. I've got to get in touch with the powder coaters because now we're going to have the wheels done, refreshed. And we're still looking for some period correct tyres. I'm going to do some research on that, see what's available. We might have to do something more modern and change the look of the tyres altogether. But functional is better than form. Form before function, yeah. Basically, how the work is going to be better than how they look, because they look super shiny, super old. In fact, did I even see what year are they? Let's see how old they actually are. Oh, 2001. Oh, it's 2001. Oh, they're only 24 years old. Anyway, so yeah. So I've still got an estimate for repair to do on Pete's. G6R I'm dropping back to Leeds on Saturday. Honda PCX 125 for sale. I got told off on last video for not making a point of which ones we've got for sale and how much. So that's 4,000 mile, just over, 2750. We've got the lovely Honda Zoomer, 2395. Beautiful machine. 50,000 kilometres. Japanese import. Don't let that put you off. That is a bulletproof machine that will run and last forever. And that's a pristine example. Right, the DeVille, you saw that. That's being collected today. That's all the brake overhaul. Fridays are usually the workshop walk around day. Why am I feel like I'm doing one today? So yes, we've got that one. That is the one I've still got to get. So still got to find out whether it's leaking from the rocker cover and quote for that. That, you know about that one. That one's that's a big list. The KTM 990 is a big list. It's been stood for forever. And I've got to, there's an exhaust bolt needs drilling, steering head bearing possible. I think he's got a question mark on the job card. Oh, the master cylinder, the rear master cylinder's got a problem. I've got to go through that basically with a fine tooth comb and find out exactly what's wrong with it and what it needs. But apart from that, oh yeah, and there's Sean's engine. Sean's engine, I've got that to do, and his forks. His forks. I'm getting stuck, I'm getting tangled up in wiring here. Right, okay, so yeah, hey, and my Christmas presents arrived from Michelin. So them brews that I make in the morning, and then I get that busy I can't finish them because they go cold and crap. Now I can have a brew that'll last me all day long. Hopefully. Right, rambling, mumbling. That's it. Hope you like the attire, folks. Hope you like the attire. Wait till Friday. Wait till you see how we've got in store for you Friday. But for today and the rest of the week, I'll be adorning this little bad boy. My little super malt sweater. Thanks for watching.